Alright, we're back. And now I have the Q-tip inserted. And we'll show you just how easy it is to clean this up. If I can hold the camera with one hand and work through the lens. Alright, so here we go. You can see if I put too much tank pressure on it, it stops. It'll just stop. So very, very light pressure. Just basically removing dirt. A little bit of tarnish. It's not going to come out looking like a mirror. Not very easy working through this cell phone camera. But you can tell it is cleaning right up. Might need new batteries in this tool, but it'll get the job done. Alright, I'm going to set this phone down and change tips. Alright, we've got a new clean tip. And as you can tell, this thing just doesn't have a whole lot of torque. It walks down super easy. You can see the Q-tip getting awful dirty. That means it's working. They say, well, it ain't shiny. It ain't like the other side. You know, you must use something on that. Well, yes and no. Start of the video, you saw I had a handful of products. One which is 3-in-1 oil, which is pretty much identical to sewing machine oil. So all you do is put that on and start scrubbing. See the old Q-tip getting nice and dirty, but the part's getting a lot cleaner. Everybody says, well, you should use the oil on in the first place. Well, guess what? It wouldn't have done all this. That switch metal polish removes a lot of oxides. I don't know what this bag is made of. I don't really want to rub on it too hard. It kind of looks like copper. It does not act like brass. Brass would have brightened right up. It would have looked like gold. It would have been super, super clean. Not even thought about it. Here I am. A little more oil. Just keep stroking it. See the Q-tip still getting dirty. That means it's working. I mean, it's 2020, so this got 101 years worth of dirt on it, almost 102. Being the day before Thanksgiving. Nice thing about the oil is it won't hurt the finish in any way, shape, form, or fashion. You can get a little bit on it. I don't know about that quartz polish. I was awful careful not to get in on this paint. So you can see how dirty the Q-tip is. Means it's getting the job done. So there you have it. How to clean a Singer sewing bags. Guess what? There ain't a video on the web except this one. This is John. That's my 2 cents.